Right. I'm gonna go ahead and pour the healthy duck feed for the water birds. The birds on the pond. And I'll pour some right here as well. All right. Mission completed successfully. My books. Oh. Just looking for something quickly. If I have it. There it is. Here. Here. There's some here, some there. I'll let him find it. I already told him, where's that? I already told him. There it is. There he goes. Well done. It looks like, even though he's enjoying the feed, looks like Mr. Broken Wing Duck is taking a nap. As usual. He's eating up the healthy duck feed. If they want it, they have it.